Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in north-central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas, northwestern Ellis County in north-central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:22 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Grandview, Oregon, 8 miles south of Alvarado, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Alvarado around 7:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Around 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Midlothian, Oakville, and Oak Leaf around 8:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Cedar Hill and Glen Heights around 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Pecan Hill, Weir Oaks, and Rio Vista. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time for central and north central Texas.